Have you ever needed to protect a Word file but don't know how to do it besides zipping it in a RAR or zip file? You may want to keep people away from your sensitive data, or you just want to keep the document from changes by other people. You can use file encryption by Word. You do that by clicking File, then Info, then Protect Document. There you have Encrypt with password option. We just select a password which we will not forget. This is important because you will lose access to the file if you forget it. After confirming the password and saving the file, you may be prompted to save the file in the new docs format if it is the old doc format. Once it is done, whenever you try to open the file, you will be prompted to enter the password for the file in order to read or edit the document.